Ew, this has clearly grown out a while and been getting a lot of activity. I've been renovating a kitchen, so it's getting a lot of abuse. We've got some lifting over here, clearly grown out huge, lifting here. It is chopped away on the side here, and this is starting to split. I can feel it, it's all crumbly. As icky and ugly as this is, you don't have to take it all off to fix it. I'm gonna make this look brand new and leave most of it on. I'm using my bulk and sculpt to take away the majority of it, just filing on the fake nail part, not the natural nail. So keep in mind, this is my opposite hand, so it's going to be a little bit awkward and clumsy. I'm simply removing the bulk here, so when I add a new color, it'll be even. Now I'm using my arbor band, medium or fine, and I'm going to file on my natural nail part. Use a medium or fine sanding bed. I'm simply preparing the natural nail for the product. Okay. Just going to smooth the free edge. Dust it off. Okay. Now this is the trick, making sure that all of the ickies are off before you put the new nail on. See how much I thinned it? All the ickies over here, that icky dirty spot that was there is gone. Nice smooth transition to the natural nail. All the icky stuff around here, that's fine. Don't forget your adhesion between products. I love product application, but I love filing because it brings it all together. You can really see that nail starting to appear. Don't worry about any dry bits that you see in this part of the process. A drop of my favorite cuticle oil is going to moisturize it right back up. With this nail, I decided a beautiful top coat is perfect to show off this gorgeous pink color. A drop of oil. See, you can make your nail look fantastic. There you go. You don't have to remove the nail completely when it's icky. You just have to remove the right parts. Look how gorgeous it is.